I'm hanamizuponko. Today, I'm going to teach you about KY means in Japan. KY is kind of an old word nowadays, but if you're interested in Japan, then you should know. Okay, here you go. KY is an abbreviation of kuukigayomenai in Japanese. The direct translation of kuukigayomenai is can't read the air. Kuuki means air. Yomenai means can't read. This basically means someone who can't read the room and behaves unsuitably. For example, when people are having a serious meetings, a KY person starts talking about a comedy show that was on TV yesterday and confuses the conversation's theme and atmosphere. The abbreviation KY was started to be used on online bulletin boards. Then people started using it in everyday chat. I think the reason why the word KY was born in Japan is a part of their culture. Many Japanese people were taught that it is good to fit in like how other people behave. So, there are some people who believe that what they've been taught in their life is the only right thing and just don't know how to accept different people. Some Japanese people still use KY, but they started considering people who have symptoms that they can't control their mind or other people who grew up with totally different cultures. So, I think Japanese people's thoughts are changing from everybody should read the air to accepting diversity. Well, KY people could be rude to any people, but there are people who can't have that kind of sense like me. You aren't allowed to talk in class in some schools in Japan, but since I couldn't control myself to be quiet, the teacher often had to take me in the hallway with my desk and chair, but I still didn't stop talking. Anyways, there are people who make sure to read the air in Japan because that's how they grew up. But there are people like me being KY forever. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time!